Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram you have been logged out. To know how to fix Instagram you have been logged out, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go down to force stop. You will click. When you will end this, you will enter when you will end this, you will enter to storage here like this. Sorry for that mistake here. We'll go to Instagram, and when you will click for stop, you will enter here storage, and after that you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.